There's a huge theme that I'm starting to notice in a lot of the conversations around supporting schools and districts and educators around SEL and what the focus is and what the theme is it's twofold. It's the first is how do we make it relevant and personal to them or their real life situations or their real life schools and what they're dealing with, and how do we make it actionable? Those are two major pieces that are being discussed. I am part of a couple things going on which are exciting, and I can't wait to share more about it here in the state of North Carolina this summer, all around leadership and educator development around SEL. And there's two pieces that we're constantly going back to within these events and these summits and just these presentations and workshops that we're planning. And it's about how do we make it relevant to their day-to-day life, and then how do we make it actionable? That is one of the biggest missing pieces I've noticed in my experience in education. There is, again, so much research, so much knowledge and information that exists and is easily can be accessible, and you can read and understand and get a grasp of. But it doesn't always support with the actionable items of it. And that's one of our biggest focuses, right? If we want, for me specifically and individuals who I'm working with, when we want SEL to be at the foundation, to exist, to come to life, to be sustainable over a long period of time, we simply have to take that knowledge and help build the bridge to action. Like, we got to take those first steps. And that oftentimes is overlooked. It's here's the knowledge, and then it's kind of left to the individual or the district or school to say, what do we do with all of this? And what we're really trying to do is make it simple, make it personal to their environment, to them, to their school, to their district. And then what's that initial step that's actionable? How do we empower people? How do we allow them to take that knowledge and know what that next piece is going to be, to where it comes to life, to where it exists within their instruction, their climate, their school environment, their interactions, their meetings, their communication, their family engagement, all the different things. What is that one step? And so that's a huge piece right now. You know, we're in the process right now of developing a handful of these summits, events, workshops, whatever you call them, for these district leaders, school leaders, educators. And we're really hyper focused on how do we give the knowledge, make it personal, but ultimately at the end of the day, leave them with the support as well as the ability to take action, because that's what's going to move it forward. So I'm grateful to be a part of it. It's really exciting. It totally aligns with the work that Come Home's approach looks like and the process that I believe in looks like. And so it's really fun to join in with other people to do this at scale and larger, and excited to share this more in detail with you, and also what we learn as we really support people in these spaces around taking action.